So a couple of days ago, I was on the prowl for some simplistic living room furniture that I could quickly build and that would satisfy the look that I'm going for. And in my search, I came across this. Again, with me living under a rock, I had no idea that they're making side stands with USB ports and electrical outlets. Well, I'll tell you what, I grabbed one and let's see how easy this thing is to assemble. So the instructions on this one are pretty clear, but if I do my job, you guys shouldn't need this. Even the packaging seems to be marked pretty clear and concisely, and they even give you tools to do the job with. So the first thing it wants us to do is go ahead and install our foot pegs. So next up, they want you to install the legs to the shelves. And next we'll install the top bracket to hold the tabletop. And these will go on the inside. Securing them all with the same screwdriver. I do want to mention that when installing your top brackets, you want them lined up correctly because there are two holes that this piece will go to. So you want to make sure you have your holes lined up because they're not holes on the other side of these arms. And now we just want to secure our tabletop. And we're going to secure these screws at the bottom using the same screwdriver. And now we'll install our power supply bracket. And to finish installing these, you'll use your Allen wrench. And so now that we have our power supply housing in place, last but not least, our power supply. And we'll use the smallest screws they have. So folks, that was a pretty seamless assembly. But now for the test. Let's make sure these outlets work. We do have a good indicator because we are getting a green power light right here. Let's see if it can charge up a phone. Yep, it's charging that. But while it's doing that, let's see if it can power up my shop vac at the same time. And getting full power. So on that note, folks, I would have to give this Akachi's Kids thumbs up. And if anybody else is interested in something like this, I'll have an affiliate link there. So it'll take you to the Akachi Kid Recommend store and you can purchase it for yourself. But until next time, I want everybody to have a great day. You know your boy's gonna see you on the next one. Peace, ma.